Alright guys, this is the tutorial on the claw, and I know that I have made a tutorial on this. Sorry, I can't English. I know I already made a tutorial on this previously, but the quality for that tutorial was next to shit. So here is one that is not next to shit, but still pretty shit. And I hope this one is a lot more informative than the last one. Now, we're going to start with the hinge pointing away from your palm like this. And then you're going to start by holding the top of the Zippo with your thumb, index, and middle finger like that. Now what you're going to do, which is probably the most difficult part of the entire trick, is you're going to flick it with your ring finger like this. One more time. Like that. And if you can't do that, which I have found out a lot of people cannot do that, you're going to instead just flick it with your wrist and then using your ring finger to help it open. So instead of this, you could do this. Once more. You see that? I don't even have to use my middle or ring finger. See? But you have to use your middle finger though, or ring finger. Damn it! I don't know the names of my fingers. Shit. All right. So hold it like this, and then flick open. Then afterwards, you're going to then put the Zippo between your middle and ring finger like that. So open like that. And then afterwards you're going to twist your fingers in this direction so that the cap goes over your middle finger, and then you could catch it like this with your thumb. So it's basically a rotation of the hand. So flick, twist, and then so basically it looks like it's a claw that you're doing, and that's when you ignite it. So I'll do it one more time. Flick, twist, ignite. All right. Ow, my arm. Damn it. Sorry. All right, so let's do that one more time. Flick, twist. Damn it. Sorry. Flick, twist, ignite. That's pretty much it.